How to create Sidra Bank account in your mobile. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So first of all, you have to open up your Google Play Store. After that, in the search bar, you have to tap and search for Sidra Bank. And after that, here you'll be able to see the mobile banking app of Sidra Bank. So you have to install it in your device. After that, you have to simply tap and open. So here there is a two option, which is sign in with KYC port, or you can create an account. So since we are looking for creating an account, you have to simply click on create an account option. After that, it will be opened in a browser. So in order to creating an account, you have to enter your email address. So you have to tap on email address and enter your email address. After that, you have to simply tap on register. So here it is said that we have sent an email to your Gmail. So click on the link in the email to verify your email address. If you do not receive an email, please check your spam folder. If you still do not receive an email, please contact us. So here you have to check the Gmail which you have entered for the verification. So here you can see I have received an email. So in order to confirm, you have to simply click on confirm your address, which is in the green color. So you can open with any browser or any browser from over here. After that, you have to set your password over here. After that, you have to simply tap on set password. After that, this interface will be opened in your browser. So here you have to edit your profile. You can enter your photo and you have to enter your first name and last name over here. After that, you have to select the country. After that, you click a time to load. So until it loads, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. And after a few minutes of submitting, your Sidra Bank account will be created in your mobile phone. So by following this simple step, you can create an account in Sidra Bank. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.